Hello lovely people, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making an amazing deep treatment conditioner for hair. Our first ingredient is carrots. I'll be using 2 carrots. I'm cutting the carrot into sizable parts that will fit in my juicer. I'll then go ahead and extract the carrot juice using my masticating juicer to make sure all the nutrients are released in the juice. While growing up, we've been eating carrot because of its immense benefit to the eyes. But did you know that carrot can be applied on hair to treat various hair conditions? Keep watching. Here's the pulp. You can try it to make some carrot powder or add some oil to make some carrot oil. This is the carrot juice that I've extracted. You can consume it as it is. It's so healthy, guys. But for today, I wanna be applying it on hair. Nothing beats the nutritional value of fresh ingredient, bearing in mind that some chemical additives can cause unwanted harm to your hair. Our next ingredient is avocado. Avocado helps to soothe the scalp. It restores moisture on the hair, it restores shine, bounce and softness, and this promotes long, strong hair growth. I'm also adding aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is great in treating hair loss. It soothes the scalp and conditions the hair. It reduces dandruff and unclogs hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oils, and this stimulates hair growth. Next, I'm adding pure onion juice. This is the onion juice that I stored on my previous video. I'll leave a link on the description box so that you can check how I make that juice for extreme hair growth. I'm then adding my carrot juice and blending everything. Onion juice nourishes your hair follicles and helps minimize hair thinning and breakage, thus promoting hair growth. I'm then using my straining cloth to strain the mixture. This is a very important step because if you apply all these particles on your hair, it might be difficult to clean or rinse the hair properly, and this may contribute to dandruff. Also, straining the mixture makes the application process more efficient and faster. I'm adding extra virgin olive oil to it. Olive oil fights bacterial infections and improves blood circulation on the scalp. It also moisturizes your scalp, leaving it healthy. It softens hair and treats dandruff. I'm then adding Jamaican black castor oil. It strengthens, moisturizes, thickens, and rapidly increases hair growth. It prevents hair breakage and dry, itchy scalp. Next, I'm adding coconut oil. This oil can make some types of hair dry, so if you're not a coconut oil person, you can consider using an oil of your choice. Coconut oil prevents dry scalp as it moisturizes the scalp. This prevents dandruff, split ends, and hair breakage. I'm mixing everything in, and this is how it looks. No lumps, no chunks, everything butter. And I'll go ahead and transfer it on my bowl that I used to apply. I'll then go ahead and apply the deep conditioning treatment on my hair. I'm working on freshly shampooed hair. This is important for the hair to easily absorb all those beneficial nutrients. I'm then partitioning my hair into 4 workable sections.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no...
I'm starting with this section. I'm applying the treatment from the hair root and working through to the tips. I'm also focusing on the edges. This treatment is so good when it comes to regrow edges.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
I'm also separating the hair further to ensure that each and every hair strand is coated.
Above the sky, we are heroes tonight.
So massage the treatment on the scalp as well to improve blood circulation and nourish it to grow healthy hair. Concentrate on the tips of the hair because it's the most delicate. It's the oldest part of your hair and it might break easily, and therefore you must take good care of it.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes.
I'll twist that section and move on to the next section.
Above the sky, we are heroes too.
Again, I'm applying the treatment from the scalp, hair roots, and massaging through to the tips. Thank you for being patient to this point. So here are some of the benefits of carrot to the hair. Carrot contains vitamins A and E that helps in boosting the blood circulation of the scalp. This helps in stimulating hair growth by providing proper nourishment to the hair follicles and roots. Carrots have antibacterial and antifungal properties that help to fight bacterial or fungal infections on the scalp, and this keeps the scalp clean. They also contain vitamins B and minerals that help in strengthening the hair fibers and roots, thus hair loss is prevented. With strong hair fibers, hair breakage is also controlled. Carrots have moisturizing properties that make your hair smooth and more shiny, and this enhances the look of your hair. Carrot prevents premature graying by boosting blood circulation and nourishing the scalp and hair. They improve the quality and health of hair fibers by protecting them from environmental pollution that can damage them. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you would like to join my family, hit on the subscribe button. It's free to subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. Always be gentle on your hair while working on it. I'm applying the remaining treatment on my hair because I don't want anything to go into waste. Also, your edges need the love and care, so I'm applying to my edges as well. I'm then covering my head with a plastic cap for about 30 to 45 minutes. This is important because it will generate some heat that will allow the hair to absorb the treatment faster.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
It has been only 15 minutes and already my hair feels so soft and bouncy. You can see that it has almost absorbed that treatment. So I'll wait for 30 more minutes and then shampoo my hair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below and let me know how this treatment has worked for you so far. See you on the next one.